I like the look of this Yamaha, the gold. It looks like upscale, like it's for like a luxury Yamaha for like people on with no budget. Got the gold. I mean, it's just the gold color.
It's like riding a gold wing.
Here, yeah, it's a gold wing of snowmobiles, except it's a Yamaha. We've got planes in the area. Uh-oh. They look like probably little flies or mosquitoes to the GoPro. We're recording all this on a GoPro 11. All right, so we got a 1986 Yamaha Excel III. Pretty snazzy looking for its era, I'm sure. Thank you for watching this video, and consider watching some of these additional videos on this YouTube channel.